This is REALME 12, and today I will show how you can set up the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So, in the beginning, you will need to launch Settings. Next, find and enter the Sound and Vibration category, and open the Do Not Disturb mode page. Here are all the DND mode settings and properties which you can change and customize. This master toggle enables and disables the DND mode respectively. Here you can set up automatic schedule for the DND mode to be enabled and disabled automatically once again. So just open it, tap plus and set up your custom schedule. Next you can also set up the exceptions. So for example, you can set up which contacts you would like to still receive phone calls from and SMS messages from, and which apps you would still like to receive notifications from, even when your DND mode is enrolled. Then there are also two other properties you can change: enable or disable the ring for repeated calls option, and silence media when DND is on option. And as far as the Do Not Disturb mode goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.